Would you believe it? This marvelous parrot has been hiding behind this little shape the whole time. We can totally sketch our feathered friend right from that same shape. Alright, no more peekaboo. It's action o'clock. So let's get moving and make things happen. We're gonna sketch this one so awesome. It'll jump right off the paper or even learn to talk. That would be so cool. Little by little, we are making all the right moves, sculpting this feathered peep into a beautiful little bird that'll charm even the grumpiest grumpy. But to be honest, I didn't expect anything less than parrot-tastic awesomeness. This little wing got me thinking, where do you reckon our feathered buddy will fly off to once we're done? Or, hey, where would you fly off if you had wings? Now, let's give our feathered buddy some adorable little legs so it's not just a floating head with wings. And by the way, those lines are so awesome, they deserve their own fan club. Excellent job. Before we unleash the marker and channel our inner artist, let's sprinkle in those last few missing details to make this parrot pop. And there you have it. Phase 2 of Operation Parrot Awesomeness. Marker time. Prepare to witness this little bird go from doodle to dazzling with just a few strokes of bold marker magic. Did you know, parrots are like the stand-up comedians of the bird world. They can be thought to talk and mimic all sorts of sounds, including your best jokes. And they wear the coolest outfits, from flashy blues to bright yellows and fiery reds. Hey, feel free to change things along the way. Think of your sketch just as a suggestion. So, mix things up, have a blast, and let your artistic mojo flow. Have you considered what colors would make our feathered friend stand out? Perhaps my example could guide you on this colorful adventure. And if you want more free videos like this, because they're awesome, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!